Hello, my name is Robin and I'm one of your teachers. Today you are going to learn all about cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. We will begin by looking at cardinal numbers. These are the numbers that we use for counting. Here are the cardinal numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you know that there are different ways to say 0 in English? Let's take a look. In British English, you can say not instead of 0 with decimals. In American English, we simply say 0. In the ABBA film of this unit, Mr. Memory, Sharon and Robert exchange their telephone numbers. Let's see how they do it.
My number's 456-8136.
Did you get Sharon's number? Let's see. My number is 456-8136. That was easy enough. Writing numbers. Remember that when we write numbers in English, we use full stops and not commas with decimals. For example, look at this number. We can say 0.5426 or not 0.5426. When we're giving phone numbers, we can say 0 or O. For example, look at this number. We can say 4519035 or 4519035. Now let's look at double numbers. When talking about numbers in general, if the same number appears twice, we say double and the number. For example, 7239936. Now let's learn the numbers from 10 to 19. 10, 11, 12. Now look, starting at 13, they all end in teen. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now let's continue with the rest of the tens. Remember that the tens always end in T, T-Y. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now let's see how to use a hyphen with numbers. We use a hyphen to separate the tens from the digits. For example, 24, 53, 78, 91. It is important to note the difference in pronunciation between these numbers. 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50. Now let's look at the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. You can use the word and after 100, but it's not mandatory. Let's see a few examples. 126 or 126. 372 or 372. 954 or 954. Now let's look at the numbers in the thousands. Look at this example. 15,030. 15,030. It's important that you remember that in English we use a comma to separate the thousands. Also, you can use and after 1,000 only if the number is between 1 and 99. If not, we use and after the 100. Let's see another example. 12,589. 12,589. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers indicate the rank or position of something or someone. Let's see some of them and pay special attention to the pronunciation. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. As the examples show, the first 3 numbers have a different ending. They end in ST, ND, and RD, while the rest end in TH. Let's see the tens. 20th, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th. Remember, all numbers ending in 1, 2, and 3 end in first, second, and third. This also applies to the tens. Look, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. We can use ordinal numbers with floors of a building. For example, my apartment is on the 11th floor. Sequences. For example, my sister came first in the race. You can also use ordinal numbers with dates. For example, my birthday is on the 28th. We will learn more about dates in an upcoming grammar video, so don't worry if you find them tricky. Well, in this class, you have learned how to use cardinal and ordinal numbers. Keep on learning on this unit to consolidate your knowledge and practice all language skills. If you do it like this, you will learn lots of English.